In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily forward a message on Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. Then open up a conversation. Then just find a message you would like to forward, long press on it, tap at More, and then tap at that icon. After that, you will be able whom you would like to forward that message to. Just tap right here. Then you can enter a phone number here, or you can select one from your contacts book. You can also select multiple contacts at once, and then to send the message, just tap right here. As you can see, I have just forwarded the message to the contacts I have selected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.